Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 8 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. So if you want to factory reset your watch, one thing I would recommend before you do that is to check the battery level on your watch, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So make sure that the battery level is at least above 20 or 30%, and once it is, we can continue. And now we can open the menu on our watch by pressing and holding the middle button right here. And once the menu opens, we can scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the option called Watch Settings and tap on it. And here scroll down and look for the option called System, and once you find it, tap on it, and then find the option called Reset or Restore and Reset, and then tap on it, and here find the option called Reset and tap on it, of course. And as you can see, we have a couple of options here. We have Reset Default Settings, Delete All Activities, Delete All Messages, Reset Totals, and then Delete Data and Settings. If you want to reset only the settings to the factory default, you can tap on Reset Default Settings. This will keep your data on your watch, so your training records, your goals and stuff like that, everything that is associated with your profile and your data will be kept on your watch, but it will reset the settings to the default. But if you want to completely factory reset your watch, so remove everything from it, you can select this option, Delete Data and Reset Settings. I want to do that, so I'm gonna select this option, and oh my bad, I selected the wrong option, this option. And as you can see, it will tell us to, and it will remove all of our data, activities, music and stuff like that. To confirm, we can press the upper button, and the resetting process should start. And now we can wait until it's complete. Okay, and after a while, you will see the list of languages on the screen, which means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.